Good morning, students. This is Nilima Agrawal, your English mentor. Children, today we are going to study a poem that is A Legend of Northland from your book Beehive. This poem is written by Phoebe Cary and she was born on 14 September. A Legend of Northland. It is a traditional story in which it was speaks about in the form of ballad. It narrates the legend of how Saint Peter had once cursed an old lady for being greedy and selfish. The poem impart the important lesson that greed always gets punished. So now the question arises, what is a ballad? A ballad is a narrative poem written in short stanzas, usually quatrains relating a simple incident in the form of suitable for singing or rhythmical chanting. Ballad is a part of a folklore, that means lore which is based on a particular tradition. This poem fits well into the category of a ballad because it is composed in simple language with 4-line stanzas and has an important moral lesson to convey through an old story. The poem comprises of 16 stanzas, 4 lines each. So here we are going to discuss only 8 lines today. So lines 1 to 8. Away, away in the Northland, where the hours of the day are few and the nights are so long in the winter that they cannot sleep them through, where the harness the swift reindeer to the sledge when it snows, and the children look like a bear's cubs in their furry clothes. So here the poet explains that she was talking that was situated on the northern side of the globe. Here, basic countries were situated like Denmark, Finland, etc., where the hours are very few. That means people cannot sleep at night because of the chill winter, and the nights are so long, and the people cannot sleep through them because the nights are very much cold. So the people used to have a swift reindeer for moving one place to another place in the to the sledges. And when it snows, children look like a cubs because they are in furry clothes, and that's why they look like a cubs. That means the babies of animal. So here from line 9 to 16, they tell them a curious story. I don't believe it's true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell a tale to you. Here, when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it and preaching just as he did, they tell them a curious story. That means the parents of the bear's cub, that means children, they were telling a story to them. They don't believe whether it is true and wrong, but they just wanted to tell that it is just a lesson. They just wanted to teach to their children that if I tell of the story, that means here TALE tell means story, if they would share a story once the good Saint Peter lived in the world below. Once the good Saint Peter, who was living below, and he was walking around the world for preaching, just as he did, that means he was a 12th apostle of Jesus Christ, and he was preaching around the world for charity. So from lines 7 to 24, let us discuss. He came to the door of the cottage in the travelling round the earth, where a little woman was making a cakes. and baking them on the hearth. And being faint with the fasting for the day was all done, he asked her from her store of the cakes to give him a single one. So he came to the door. Here you all are looking that there was a small cottage in this chill winter, and he was traveling around the earth and round the earth, so he wanted to have some rest and wanted to have some food. So he went to that lady and asking for some cakes, who was baking the cakes on the hearth, that means a furnace. And being a faint of fasting, that Saint Peter was about to faint for because of fasting, for a day was almost done. He asked her for her store of cakes. He had lot of cakes in his store, so he asked one for to fill his belly. So here, children,